Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this 3D text on your Canva on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a 3D text on your Canva on your computer, just going to show in this video. So like this. So first step for you, just open a new page and click on the apps. So after clicking on the apps, you just need to type the as text maker here and just search it. You can find an app called TextMaker on the first portion. Just click on this and just open it. So I already installed the TextMaker here on the Canva. So after clicking here, you just need to click on 3D or you can just search as 3D. So after clicking this, you can find the simple 3D text as I just did. Click on this. Now change the name you text or you just needed. So just go with the capital letters. So it will look so 3D on the image. Then here you can customize your font and also the alignment and also some effects. You just need to change the color. Click on the customization of colors. Here you can change the shadow or fill color or 3D depth color also. After creating this, click on the add design, and here you have these two options to choose like a low and medium. Just go with the medium section. Click on the add design, then you can add the design on your Canva template. Just resize it and place it on the center, arrange it on the image. Now the 3D text effect has been created. So this is how I just created this 3D text on the Canva. Try this on your own. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.